Why do flying schools prefer piston engine aircraft as trainer aircraft? Flight schools prefer piston engine trainer aircraft primarily because they are cost-effective, easy to operate, and offer forgiving handling characteristics essential for teaching fundamental flying skills. Aircraft like the Cessna 172, Diamond DA-40, and Piper PA-28 are considered industry standards because they allow students to build proficiency in basic maneuvers, takeoffs, and landings without the excessive speed or system complexity of more advanced turbine-powered aircraft. Here are the main reasons for the preference for piston engine trainers. 1. Superior cost-effectiveness. Lower operating costs. Piston engines are much more fuel-efficient and less expensive to operate and maintain than turbine jet engines. Lower initial cost. A single piston engine training aircraft is significantly cheaper to purchase than advanced alternatives. Reduced maintenance. Piston engines are mechanically simpler and spare parts are readily available, reducing downtime and maintenance expenses. 1. Ideal learning platform for beginners. Forgiving flight characteristics. These aircraft are designed to handle or tolerate incorrect commands from novice pilots, making them safer and more confidence-building for initial training. Slower speeds. Lower operating speeds allow students to manage the aircraft better, giving them more time to make decisions and correct mistakes. Stable handling. The stability of aircraft, like the Cessna 172 or Piper PA-28, makes them perfect for mastering basic aerial maneuvers. 1. Practical training utility. Simple systems. The systems in a piston trainer are straightforward, which allows students to focus on basic aerodynamics and stick and rudder skills rather than complex system management. Versatility. While ideal for beginners, these aircraft are still capable enough for cross-country navigation, allowing them to be used throughout the PPL, private pilot license, and commercial training stages. Visibility. Many popular trainers, such as the Cessna 172, feature high wing designs, offering excellent visibility for traffic awareness and navigation. 1. Modern avionics and safety glass cockpits. Many modern piston trainers are equipped with Garmin G1000 glass cockpits, allowing students to train on the same technology used in modern airlines. High safety record. These aircraft have a strong, proven safety record for training, with excellent structural integrity that can withstand turbulent weather situations. Emergency training. Piston engines are better suited for practicing maneuvers like simulated engine failures and emergency landings. Common examples of these training workhorses include the Cessna 152 and 172, Piper PA-28 Cherokee and Archer, and Diamond DA-20 and DA-40.